In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an account on Wise. Now, whether you're just starting out or looking to manage your finances more effectively, following along will make the process simple and efficient. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open Wise on your device. If you're accessing it from a computer or mobile device, make sure you're connected to the internet for a smooth experience. Once you've got Wise open, look for the option to select your email. This is where you'll input the email address you plan to use with your Wise account. Make sure it's an email you frequently check, as Wise will send important notifications to it. After you've selected your email, you'll be presented with a choice between setting up a personal account or a business account. While both have their benefits, for our tutorial today, we're going to focus on setting up a personal account. This type of account is tailored for individual use, perfect for personal transactions and money transfers. Okay, moving along, it's now time to select your country. In this case, we're choosing South Africa. Selecting your country properly helps Wise tailor the options and features available to you, so take a moment to ensure it's correct. If everything looks good, click Continue. Now, to verify your account, you'll need to enter your phone number. This step is crucial as it helps secure your account with two-factor authentication. After you enter your phone number, a code will be sent directly to your device. Once you receive it, enter the code into the space provided on the platform. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment. It may take a minute to come through. Next, click Send Verification Code to proceed. You'll want to follow any additional prompts on your screen carefully, as they will guide you through creating a secure password for your account. Remember, a strong password is essential for protecting your personal and financial information, so choose one that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Once you've successfully created your password, you're almost at the finish line. You can now log in to your newly set up Wise account using the email and password you just created. Simply enter these details and you'll be set to explore the features that Wise has to offer. And that's it. You've now completed the setup of your Wise personal account. This process not only creates a secure and efficient way to handle your personal finances, but also sets the foundation for smarter money management. Thanks for watching and happy financial planning.